Welcome to the training for the CRM dashboard for the automatic lot. The dashboard has been designed to give a summary view of the activity in the CRM. We have filters on top, and then we have sales pipeline in the middle of the screen. We have a tasks section which is highlighting mostly important tasks, and then we have an appointment section which has several tabs to display the appointments in different stages. We also have a widget for communications showing us how many inbound and outbound communication activities have taken place by the categories such as email, text, and phone calls. Users can select a store based on the access that they have. Salespersons will mostly have their own employee name in there, but managers can switch between different employees. Source type means how was the lead captured, either from the internet, phone, or walk-in, so on and so forth. The date range defaults to last 7 days. If you want to change that, you can select it over here. In the sales pipeline, we have generated, attempted, engaged, proposal, and sold boxes on top. Generated means how many leads were generated or captured for that day. Today shows today's activity and date range is based on this filter, which defaults to last 7. Attempt means any outbound communication. So anytime a user emails, texts, or calls someone, the score counter goes up. Engaged means inbound communication. So anytime any of leads that are connected to us decides to call or text or email us, then this counter goes up. Proposal means any serious activity such as a lead filling out a credit application, or someone checking into the store, or someone making a formal offer through our price offer module. These counters will go up. Untouched at the bottom shows any leads that were not communicated with. Unresponded means any leads that have started communicating with us, however, based on their last communication, we have not responded back to them. If you click on any of these numbers, it will open up a table or a pop-up which will show us what's behind that screen or that number. So we have 41 leads for last 7 days in this store. You have the names, lead IDs, phone numbers, when were they entered, and when was the last time they were modified. Also shows who's been assigned to them and what channel or what source they came from. And this is the vehicle that they were interested in. If you click on the name or the opportunity ID, you will see the detail view of this lead. We can print this, and we can also refresh it. In the task view, you have a manager review, data request, call out, email out, credit application, new web opportunity tasks. In the email or communication tabs, you have inbound and outbound emails. Inbound, we have 6 emails so far inbound for the selected date range. In the outbound, we are showing these numbers. The users have sent 26 emails in the last 7 days. 48 emails were sent by the system, and 74 overall communications have taken place. Same applies to text messages and phone calls. In the appointment section, you can see how many appointments are there for today, how many are upcoming appointments, which is anything that's more than 24 hours. Any past due appointments will show up over here. These are past due appointments that have not been completed. And if there are any appointments that are in progress, that is, if the person has been checked in by our CRM user, then they will show up under visit in progress. So if we check in a person, let's say we go into today's appointment and decide to check in this person. We click on the check-in button. It opens up a few confirmation messages. After that, we can actually go ahead and click on this link right here, capture license from my phone. If you click on it, it will send a link to your cell phone, or if you click on capture license from lead phone, it will send a link to your lead's cell phone. In that text message, there is a link. If they click on that link, they can take a picture of their license and save it, and if you refresh it, you will see a license copy attached with this lead. Since we clicked on visit in progress, this appointment has gone to visit in progress, and if we close this, now we have the visit in progress section showing as a count of 1, which is this lead right here, and it shows this green check mark shows how the visit status is right now, which is in progress. Once the visit is completed, you can click on this green visit in progress link, and it will open up a short survey asking how did the appointment go. Either they were sold, or they're going to be back, or one of these other options, such as they're waiting for financing or trade appraisal or some other information, or if the inventory is out for repairs, or the inventory has not arrived, or if it's lost. In this case, we won't change anything right now. You can also print or SMS these appointments to your different team members or to yourself. For example, you wanted to send a text message to your detailers in the morning telling them all the different appointments that are coming up so they can get those cars ready. You can click on it and it'll send them a text message. We also have the links on top, which is showing us any unread messages, SMS messages. If we had any emails that were sent to us and we have not read them, they will be showing over here. We can also see any notifications by clicking over here, such as a new SMS sent, a new task was assigned to us, or somebody opened up an email that we sent them. This concludes our CRM dashboard. Thank you.